What's up, comic creators? So CapCut has a extensive access to really nice text that you can use for logos and various different things to add to your project. So I'm going to show you how to do that quickly. First thing you're going to do is in the top left-hand corner, you're going to click on text, which will open up all the different text options, and you will actually see text templates. And when you click on text templates, it'll show you all of these really nice text styles and animations that you can add to your project and kind of look at to see how they'll fit. I'm going to go down and look at logos, and you'll see all the different ways you can do this. Now when you click on it, it takes a little bit to load. But when you click on it, after it's done loading, it'll show you an example of what it's going to look like on the footage where your cursor is in your timeline. So you can kind of see it says minimal titles as I'm clicking on it, and you can get examples of what each of these texts are going to look like. But I'm going to pick one quickly here that I'll be able to use and throw into my project. And I kind of like this one, this daily vlog one, so I think I might pick this one. So I'm just going to click this little plus sign here, and it's going to throw it down into the timeline right where my project is. And as I click it, I can move it around, drag it around wherever I want to put it. I can extend the amount of time it's on the project there. Sometimes when you extend it too much, though, it gets a little wonky with when the text pops up and things of that nature. And then when I click on the file within my timeline, in the right hand corner, it'll give me the options to change it and edit it. I can actually change the text and I can change the look of it completely. It's got a lot of options here. So the first thing I'll do is click on the top text bar here, and I'm gonna go ahead and add my channel name to it, comic creator. And then on the bottom text bar, I think I'll add something like "please subscribe." That's a good thing. You know, no better time to shamelessly ask for subscribers than right now in the middle of the video. So that's how you do that. Obviously, you can change the scale of the image right here, and then it gives you a lot more options as well to edit and do different things. You have your tab up here. You can change the templates, and then you have this other tab where you can add effects to your text. You can change like the look of the text here that you have selected. There's multiple different places you can do this, so this gets a little weird, but if you go back to the basics tab, it'll give you other options to do different things within your project. If I click the arrow down here next to the top text bar, it'll give me the option to change the font. I can add all those weird text options that I had on that one side right here. If I click that little arrow down even further, you get all those other options. You can kind of see everything in full. But yeah, you can see you can adjust your font, you can adjust the color, you can add some sort of different type of effect around the text to make it pop a little bit better. There's multiple different options that you can do within this function here. I'm just going to go ahead and make the text actually bold is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take this effect off and actually just click the bold option. And there you go. I've got a little bit, making it a little bit bold. But as you scroll down, you'll see options for spacing, which allows you to spread the letters out further in the text. You can see how I'm doing that here. Then there's also, you can blend it with opacity underneath that. And if you just adjust that bar, it'll make the text in that line more transparent or less transparent if you're looking to do that kind of an effect. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of different options on here. Obviously, I can add a stroke to it. I can make it pop a little bit more. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't, just depending on the needs of what I want. You can add a background to it, change the background color, change the opacity. Yeah, it's got plenty of options to allow you to edit this text and make it look the way you want it and fully customize it. It's a really great tool. Now to close out of it, you just scroll back up to where those fancy T's are, and you click that small little arrow, and that will close out all those options for that text line. And then you want to go onto the right hand side of the text bar again, where I had that other drop down arrow, and when I click that, it will close out that entire secondary menu, and then you can actually go and look at other options for other text lines within your project there. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much a quick tutorial, a quick guide on using those text templates and being able to add really high quality text for logos, or even various different things, project titles, whatever it is you're trying to accomplish within your CapCut project. I'm really impressed with that extensive options that it has for the project. If you have any questions or comments in general, please take the time to comment below. It really helps the channel when you do that. We really appreciate every like and comment and subscription. It helps our channel grow. And yeah, hopefully this video helps you out, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take the time to like, comment and subscribe, as it helps us to further please our YouTube overlords. Check out more links in the description for continued assistance on your CapCut projects, and please keep your arms and legs inside the craft until it comes to a complete stop. Be sure to mind your headspace and watch your step as you exit. Failure to comply may result in serious injury or death. We will see you next time, Comet creators. End transmission.